Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students and viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel DigiLearnersPoint. In today's video, we are going to cover a solution of a question which is shared by someone in a group of Facebook. So here is the questions, and a trial balance has been given and some adjustment has been given. So it is related to the final accounts topic. So here is the trial balance, which has some 75,441 on credit side as well. So in trial balance we have collected all the assets and credits, assets and liabilities and expense. Everything you have to include it in the trial balance in the summary form. Here is the additional information given to adjust as per the scenario and find out the or prepare the income statement and statement of national position, which is also known as balance sheet. So let's read out the components of the trial balance, then we will move to the solution. Look at this stock inventory, which is opening stock on debit side, and it is a part of both transactional position and income statement as well. Capital, which is on credit side. Motor vehicle, which is an fixed asset and it is debit. Purchases also asset appeared on the debit side, and sales and turnover revenue income appeared on the credit side. Nature is credit. Provision for bad debts, it is on the credit side. It means this account balance is on available credit side. And debtor receivables 5,278 assets, and drawings 1,500, creditors payable 5,700, freehold premises assets 8,250, cash asset, insurance expense, return inwards. Return inwards means it is also known as sales return. The asset that we have made to customer, some customer or consumer has returned back. Return outwards means the purchases that we have returned. 342, discount allowed expense and discount received income. Interest on deposit income, which is the part of other incomes. Carriage inwards related to expense, factory expense. Salesman salary 1,228, wages and salaries 1,601, transport expenses 130, general expenses 1,500, office salaries 2,500, furniture and fitting are fixing 1,000, asset tenement rate, it is some kind of tax 2,012 or 212, advertisement expense 1,421, bank deposit 1,800. So if you there is advice for all the students and viewers, before start working you have to be recheck the balance of both the sides, debit and credit column. Sometimes there are mistakes, or there are sometimes balance are not equal, so you have to be check this before starting your solution. So now move to the additional information which is given to solve the assignments of preparing income statement and statement of national position. The inventory in hand on 31st December 2020 was 4,318, and the insurance of insurance of 130 was outstanding. An employee took a salary advance of 110. The provision for bad debt should be increased to 225. Depreciation motor vehicles 450, furniture and fitting 10% per annum. You are required to prepare income statement for the year ended for the period ended 31st December 2020. Statement of national position at or on that date 31st December 2020. So the most important point to be noted here is that we are going to first highlight the accounts which are affected by these additional information. There are two types of adjustment. Either you are forget to pass the entry or entry into this trial balance, or there is some errors there that you have to be rectified. So what are the account that we are going to be deal? Insurance and advance salary and provision for bad debts, depreciation. You have noticed that depreciation is not available in the trial balance, bad debt is not available in the trial balance, and advance salary is not available in the trial balance. So which are not available, we have to make entry for all kind of adjustment, and then according to the general entry we are going to transfer the debit and credit amount to their respective or corresponding accounts. Let's move to the solution that I have prepared in the Excel sheet or Excel workbook. Here is the trial balance. I have written it here and recheck its balance exactly the okay same. Now we are going to hit the only those accounts which are associated with the additional information or adjustment. Closing inventory, outstanding insurance. Here I will written here, and let me check this insurance. So we make adjustment here, and there is furniture and fitting and something depreciation and provision for bad debts is also is there. So these are the account that we are going to be adjust, and some are added by us to make the adjusted trial balance. So let's move to the solution. Here is the general entry for bad debts, expense account to 225 and to provision for bad debts 225. So look at this account is not there, so we are going to be include this in adjusted trial balance, this account, and make adjustment here. This is the entry that we have made at the end of the period, and this is the entry that we have made during the period. So let's move to the and if you want to make a depreciation entry, depreciation to motor vehicles and furniture and fittings. So here is going to be 450 and here is going to be 100, and it is total 550. Advance outstanding, it means salary expense. What is outstanding is here outstanding insurance, so we have to pay insurance to outstanding, it is liability, which is equal to 130. We need to include this outstanding insurance in our adjusted trial balance. Let me clear this one. I am going to make it easy by passing in entries here. Okay, everything is clear. Now move to the solution. Income statement. Here I am going to make it this income statement, the profit and loss account, trading format, particulars amount, opening inventory. To opening inventory you can add two word here and by word here, make it more appropriate. Opening inventory is given 3,406, purchase is 36,367, less returns outward 5,000. It means we are going to make purchases return, it is always less. Carries inwards 118, wages and salaries 1,601. So we make this all here, inner line to inner column to outer column. This is equal to 37,575. Gross profit, make it bold, and give something color to differentiate it. So here is the total 50,007, 50,007. It is simply the balancing figure. So we have transfer here. You can write here by, as is a ledger account. So you have to be write here by and to here. So need to be write it here for me and that index. Okay. So here we have included bad debts expenses here. So I am going to be mention here what I am going to do by coloring it. Insurance I have added it here, and there is depreciation expense is here, and this is the thing that we have done here. Okay, this is given for general expenses is given for 1500, administrative action provision for bad debts is provision for bad debts. So I am going to be written here 81. You can remove it from here if you are going to be keep it here. So discount allowed 342. This is an expense. Transport expense 130. Office salary 2500. Advertisement expense 1421. This is a total of all these four. 14931. Now selling and distributive expense. Salesman salaries 1228 here, and depreciation expense motor vehicle furniture 550. Other incomes in discount receipt 5091. You should be written here, not here. Please put me here. Okay, so insurance we have added 130 insurance here, and outstanding or insurance as liability in the balance sheet. Tournament rate expense is related to the something tax. It should be above. Okay, let me put it here to make it more proper. Okay, so we are going to subtract tax, any kind of tax from the at the end 2122. So this is the balance sheet figure, which is net profit, and look at the total 10,253. This will go to the balance sheet as increasing liability and added to the capital account. So let's move to the balance sheet. Here is the balance sheet as on 31st December 2022. Capital 22,000, drawing is less. Add profit 1304, and total is 21,804. Non-current liabilities, there is no long-term liabilities component in the trial balance or in the adjustment entries or additional information. Current liabilities creditor payable 5,700. Outstanding insurance 130, which is payable, and it is given in the additional information. Now 5,830. Now add total of this one to reach the grand total 27,634. Now assets, fixed asset, freehold premises 8,250. Motor vehicle, this is a amount, and this is depreciation less 2,550. Furniture and fitting, and 1,000 depreciation at the rate of 10%. 100, 900. Total is 11,700. Okay, then come to the current asset. Cash 4,653. Bank deposit 1,800. Closing inventory 4,318. Advance salary, this is additional information. We have made an investment. We have made an journal entries. Advance salaries to salary expense to advance salary. You can say that advance salary to cash. So it will be here. receive we have to subtract from the cash and we add it in the advance salary account. So both asset size is affected by these transactions. Data receivable 5053. We also delete 2 to 5 permanent for bad debt accounts. So it is good to be subtracting directly from here. You add a line here just like here, depreciation. Data receivable less permanent for bad debt account to 25 here and there, less this one, this will be amount here. So this is a total. So by adding all this one, you will get 27,634, which is exactly equal to the total of liabilities, which is qualified the acquisition of accounting asset is equal to liabilities. So here solution is finished. If you have any question regarding this, please ask me in the comment section. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button, share with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.